Down the road, the study authors write, a better understanding of sharks, may help scientists learn more about what drives their choice. Okay, so this first option is only clear in the full context of the sentence because it goes on to talk about driving choice. That is, driving that the sharks are choosing things. And if they're choosing things, then it can't be about their habitat, which is their environment. It's about their qualities as individuals. So personalities fits better there. And they then choose prey, and they choose, again, you can't really choose your offspring. You either you have a child that you like or you don't. So because it's about choice, then whereas you can choose habitat by moving from one place to another. So it's only in the full context of the sentence that we understand that this has to be about shark personalities, and therefore habitat will go later. Will fit in that second option. It's the location that the shark lives. So they want to learn more about what drives sharks' choices of things like prey, that is what they eat, and habitat, that is where they live.
Oh, okay.
So it's because it's about they're interested in their choices that this has to be, the first option has to be personalities, and the second option, habitat, makes more sense because we can't choose our offspring. We might be able to choose whether to have offspring or not, but I don't know if sharks have a lot of reproductive choice. I think they just kind of do it by instinct.
Nice.
Okay, so if something is dangerous, that's an external quality. It's a quality that belongs to them from the perspective of someone outside looking at them. Whereas if we're talking about their personality, that's an internal quality. So some sharks are shy, some are outgoing. That is about their personalities. Some are adventurous, and some prefer to stick close to what they know. So this is a contrast. Some are like this, some are like that. So they're actually talking about personalities. You're talking about the individual differences of sharks.
So
You can see in the sentence structure that there are a series of contrasts.
oh, shy, outgoing. So let's see, close to, so adventurous. Yeah. Very
But also, if we're talking about personality, we can't say that someone has a dangerous personality, really. If you're saying that someone is dangerous, you're saying it not because you're saying it as a kind of external, threatened perspective, rather than talking about their personality per se. Now, having said that, I realize you can say that they have a dangerous personality, but it implies something about their psychology, like that they're pathological.
Yeah.
Not really. I think, so if you're talking about something that's species-wide and a behavior, again, there's a distinction there. If it's about species-wide behavior, it isn't about individual personalities. So there's a contrast there. But what they're saying here at the end is that if we know about the individuals, we might be able to learn more about species-wide behavior, and so patterns fits, because those are patterns that are not about individuals. They're about all of the sharks and what they do. So a personality might have particular behaviors. You might say that that person behaves that way because of their personality. But behavior patterns is quite a common phrase.
Okay.